The device in my hand is Noise ColorFit Pulse Grand Smartwatch, and in this video we are going to show you what is inside the packet of this Winner smartwatch. So this is the smartwatch, and you can see here it is written proudly designed and manufactured in India, and here you can see the details. That is the 1.69 TFT touch screen with 7-day battery life. That 113 gram is the weight. Okay, let's see, we can open the packet. Okay, yeah, this is the watch. So we take this, then you can see inside here, this is the watch, and also you can see a charging cable. There's a magnetic type charging cable, a sticker, then a warranty card that you can register, and a user manual is available. Okay, for more video updates like this, subscribe and stay with Engineers World Online. We can also watch other videos or the detailed reviews and using of this watch. Thank you.